Is a race car.
What if I told you that one of the most iconic comedians of all time also owns one of the most jaw-dropping car collections on the planet? Now, this isn't a late-night bit. This is real life. Jerry Seinfeld isn't just the king of observational comedy. He's also a Porsche purist with a collection so rare, so refined, it borders on obsession. Over the years, Seinfeld has quietly built a Porsche vault of over 150 models, each one hand-picked, many historically significant and all meticulously maintained. From vintage legends to modern hypercars, his garage is less of a collection and more of a living museum of Porsche excellence. In this video, we're diving deep into the ultimate Porsche lineup, curated by a man whose love for the brand runs deeper than punchlines. Welcome to Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche Collection Unveiled. So, why Porsche? For Jerry Seinfeld, it's more than brand loyalty. It's a philosophy. Porsche represents a form of purity that speaks to him on a deeper level. It's the minimalist design, the precision engineering, and the unmistakable connection between driver and machine. Jerry doesn't just appreciate Porsches, he connects with them. He's famously quoted as saying, "The Porsche 911 is the purest expression of a sports car." That statement captures the essence of his admiration. In a world where modern cars are often overdesigned and overcomplicated, Jerry finds clarity in the 911's timeless simplicity. It's not just how a Porsche looks, it's how it feels. Every detail from the weight of the steering to the hum of the engine is designed to elevate the experience behind the wheel. His passion is so focused that he deliberately avoids other luxury brands. Lexus, for example, has never earned a spot in his garage, not because it lacks quality, but because, in Jerry's words, it lacks soul. For him, Porsche is the only brand that consistently delivers the emotional connection he seeks in a car. This obsession isn't about status or rarity, it's about authenticity. It's about honoring a brand that, like his own approach to comedy, values substance over flash. Whether he's restoring a vintage 356 or acquiring a one-off hypercar, Jerry's love for Porsche remains constant and completely unapologetic. In his world, it's not just a preference, it's a lifestyle. Among the many treasures in Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche collection, there are two models that stand out as the true crown jewels. Vehicles that don't just carry a hefty price tag, but embody the very soul of Porsche's heritage. We're talking about the legendary 1949 Porsche 356/2 and the iconic 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder. Let's start with the 1949 Porsche 356/2. This isn't just any classic, it's the 40th Porsche ever built. Think about that for a moment. Before Porsche became the global symbol of performance and engineering that it is today, it was building handmade aluminum-bodied sports cars in a small Mund, Austria factory. And Jerry owns one of those original builds, still in its pure, unaltered form. It's entirely original, an incredibly rare feat in the collector world. Most cars from that era have been heavily restored or lost to time. But this one, it's been lovingly preserved like a relic of automotive art. It's not just a car, it's a time machine. Then we have the 1955 Porsche 550 Spyder, perhaps one of the most famous race cars ever made. Lightweight, nimble, and stunningly aggressive for its time, the 550 is a symbol of Porsche's early dominance in motorsport. Seinfeld's example is one of the finest known to exist. When it went to auction in 2016, it sold for a jaw-dropping $5.3 million, and every dollar was justified. This isn't just a collector's piece, it's a champion. The 550 Spyder represents the shift from post-war sports car to purpose-built race machines. But beyond the specs and the auction prices, what makes these cars special is Jerry's relationship with them. He's not just buying icons to display, he's preserving moments in history. These two models, the 356/2 and the 550 Spyder, are proof of Jerry Seinfeld's commitment to authenticity, heritage, and the timeless allure of Porsche's earliest creations. No Porsche collection is complete without the 911, and when it comes to Jerry Seinfeld, his relationship with the 911 isn't casual. It's lifelong, emotional, and incredibly well documented. This isn't just about ownership. For Jerry, the 911 is the beating heart of what makes Porsche, Porsche. One of the crown jewels in his 911 lineup is the 1964 Porsche 911, widely regarded as one of the most important models in the brand's history. And get this, it was originally owned by Ferry Porsche himself, son of Ferdinand Porsche, and the man who helped shape the brand into what it is today. Owning that car is like holding a piece of Porsche's soul. It's not just rare, it's historic. Then there's the 1973 Porsche 911 Carrera RS. If you know anything about Porsche, you know the RS is a big deal. This model introduced the iconic ducktail spoiler, and it was built for homologation purposes to enter racing. It's raw, it's fast, and it's highly collectible. Jerry's RS is one of the finest examples around, and he treats it like a living legend. Not surprisingly, this is often one of the most asked about cars in his collection. And finally, there's the ultra-exclusive 1999 Porsche 911 Classic Club Coupe. This one is truly unique. It was built as a one-off by Porsche Classic and auctioned for a stunning $1.3 million. It's essentially a modernized 996 Generation 911. Reimagined with throwback styling cues like a ducktail spoiler and custom blue paintwork. It's a blend of old school cool and new age engineering. And of course, Jerry had to have it. What sets Seinfeld apart isn't just what he collects, but how he treats these cars. He's hands-on with restorations. He doesn't lock them away. He drives them, studies them, lives them. For him, the 911 is more than a car. It's a symbol of balance, beauty, and the timeless pursuit of driving perfection. Each model tells a different chapter in Porsche's story, and Jerry's collection ensures those chapters are never forgotten. While Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche collection spans decades and styles, there's a special place in his heart and garage for Porsche's race legends. These are the cars that didn't just turn heads, they won trophies, broke records, and helped solidify Porsche's dominance in motorsport history. Two of the most celebrated in his collection, the 1970 Porsche 908/3 and the legendary 1973 Porsche 917K. Let's start with the 908/3. Built specifically for the tight, twisting roads of the Targa Florio and Nürburgring, the 908/3 is the definition of purpose-built. It's feather-light, mid-engined, and engineered with an obsessive focus on weight distribution and handling. Porsche only made a handful of them, and Jerry calls his perfect. That's not hyperbole, it's a tribute to the car's precision. It wasn't designed to be beautiful or luxurious, it was designed to win. And win it did. The 908/3 helped Porsche dominate races in the early 70s, and owning one today is like holding a piece of racing's golden era. Then there's the unicorn, the 1973 Porsche 917K. For many, this is the holy grail of Porsche racing. It's the car that starred in Steve McQueen's Le Mans film, but more importantly, it's the machine that gave Porsche its first overall win at the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1970. The K stands for Kurzak, or short tail, a design tweak that helped improve high-speed stability. Seinfeld's particular 917K is beyond rare, and was once offered over $25 million for it. That's right, $25 million, and yet Jerry initially turned it down. That's how deep his connection goes. Eventually, he did decide to part ways with it, but not before caring for it like a family heirloom. For Jerry, these cars weren't just collected, they were respected, understood, and preserved as cultural icons. The 908/3 and 917K aren't just machines, they're milestones. They represent Porsche at its most daring and Seinfeld at his most devoted. Beyond the classics and race-bred legends, Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche collection also includes two of the brand's most technologically advanced and exclusive machines, the groundbreaking Porsche 959 and the futuristic 918 Spyder. These aren't just rare, they represent Porsche's ability to push the limits of what a car can be. Let's talk about the 1988 Porsche 959. Back in the 80s, this was the ultimate halo car. It was built as a Group B rally homologation special, but it ended up being so advanced that it felt more like a spaceship than a road car. It featured twin turbos, all-wheel drive, active suspension, and a top speed that rivaled anything else on Earth at the time. But here's the twist, it wasn't even street legal in the US when it launched. That didn't stop Jerry. He managed to acquire one through the show or display exemption, a loophole used by only the most dedicated collectors. For Jerry, it wasn't about flaunting the rules, it was about honoring the car's significance. The 959 isn't just cool, it was a technical revolution that laid the groundwork for future supercars. Fast forward to the 2013 Porsche 918 Spyder, this is Porsche's answer to the modern hypercar, a plug-in hybrid that combines a screaming V8 engine with electric motors to produce a mind-bending 887 horsepower. It's one of the fastest, most capable production cars ever built, with a Nürburgring lap time that stunned even the most skeptical purists. Jerry's 918 is finished in a subtle, elegant spec, true to his style, and it represents his appreciation for Porsche's evolution into the future. What makes these two cars so interesting in the context of Jerry's collection is how they complement each other. The 959 was ahead of its time in the 80s. The 918 is ahead of its time now. Together, they bookend Porsche's pursuit of innovation and perfection. For Jerry, owning these isn't just about status, it's about celebrating the engineering brilliance that defines Porsche at its best. Today, Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche collection is estimated to be worth between $85 million and $100 million. But to boil it down to dollars would be missing the point entirely. This isn't a trophy garage, it's a living archive of automotive excellence. His collection is housed in a custom-built, multi-level facility in Manhattan. It's part garage, part museum, and part shrine to one of the most iconic car brands in history. With minimalist design, climate control, and even a workshop on site, the space itself reflects the same precision and passion that defines the cars within it. But here's what truly sets Jerry apart. He doesn't collect for ego or attention. He collects for love, for legacy, for history. He's not hoarding cars, he's preserving culture. Every Porsche in his care is treated like a work of art. He ensures they're not only maintained, but driven, understood, and appreciated in their original spirit. He's deeply involved in restorations and often collaborates with Porsche experts to make sure each detail is era accurate. Jerry has said many times that Porsche speaks to him in a way no other brand does. It's not just the look or the sound, it's the philosophy. The idea that a car should be honest, functional, and exhilarating. That's what fuels his obsession, and that's why his collection isn't just impressive, it's important. In an era where celebrity car collections often feel like over-the-top displays of wealth, Jerry's approach is refreshingly authentic. He doesn't need to prove anything. He just genuinely, deeply loves Porsche. His collection tells a story, one of craftsmanship, innovation, and enduring passion. It's a story of how a comedian with a sharp eye for detail found a lifelong companion in a brand that shares the same ethos. Jerry Seinfeld isn't just a Porsche owner, he's a Porsche custodian. And as long as he's behind the wheel, the legacy of these cars is in very good hands. And there you have it, Jerry Seinfeld's Porsche collection isn't just the stuff of car enthusiast dreams. It's a living, breathing tribute to one of the greatest automotive brands in history. From vintage race cars to cutting-edge hypercars, each vehicle tells a story, and together they form a legacy that only someone like Jerry could create. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing stories from around the world of cars, culture, and collectors. Got a favorite Porsche from Jerry's collection? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear which one you'd take for a spin. Thanks for watching, and remember, passion never goes out of style.